what's up guys? This week I made a very refreshing, full of antioxidants, a ginger beef stir fry served with veggies and soba noodles. Check it out. Alright guys, so for the ingredients you need some extra virgin olive oil, potato starch, white pepper powder, coconut sugar, some white vinegar, sesame oil, oyster sauce, water. I've also got some chili padi, I love chili padi, and of course sliced ginger. Got some onions, spring onions, some broccoli as my veggies, and also red capsicum. And of course I sliced up some flank steak. If you have everything guys, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to actually combine all the sauce ingredients. You need to combine the oyster sauce, the white vinegar, coconut sugar, white pepper powder, potato starch, sesame oil, and water. Mix it up all really nicely and very well in a small bowl. And then once you're done with that, you just set aside. Next thing you need to do is to heat a non-stick skillet with the olive oil. Start cooking the ginger slices and chili padi for about 2 to 3 minutes until the fragrance really rises up. I like to make my onions soft though, so I actually put it after I've done with the ginger and the chili padi. Mix it up for a bit, let it wilt, and then add in the flank steak slices. I'm cooking this until the doneness it suits my taste, so really it's up to you. Just make sure it's cooked to your own specific way of steak. Okay, once you're done with that, pour in the sauce, pour in spring onion, and mix it all up together, and then set aside. Alright, so next thing you need to do is of course, using the same skillet, you can use extra virgin olive oil spray if you have it. Otherwise, then just leave it as it is. We're gonna cook our veggies. So we're gonna cook our broccoli and the capsicum just for a while, not too long, 2 to 3 minutes. And once you're done with that, it's time to now build your meals. So what I've done is I've actually used the ginger beef stir fry as my protein sauce. I like to add in some carbohydrates in my meals, so I've actually used Soba for today's recipe for this week's meal prep, and of course the veggies, some green and some red in this week's meal prep, so my broccoli and capsicum does the job. Once you're done with that, super easy, serve and enjoy your meal prep. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do like that video, make sure you subscribe by clicking on the button right here on my left. I will see you again next week with a brand new cheap, fast, and nutritiously Asian meal prep recipe. In the meantime, take care, have a good weekend. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.